Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless X, a channel dedicated to easing your digital transformation. In today's video, we're going to go through everything you need to know about Noteful in 2023. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. Make sure to watch the entire video because we'll be providing details on how you can enter for a chance to win a promo code for Noteful. Noteful is a handwriting note-taking app for the iPad and iPhone. You can also use the app on the M series MacBooks. It costs $4.99, a one-time purchase, and has a free version that you can try before purchasing it. Creating new notebooks is intuitive in Noteful. The app has many page templates with customization options for color, size, and orientation. Page colors are no longer limited, and you can now save custom templates to the app's template library. Noteful can save complete documents, so we can now save our digital notebooks in the app as page templates. This keeps all the pages, all the hyperlinks in all the digital notebooks. How fantastic is that? If you have planners or any other PDF templates that you use that have multiple pages, you can save them in Noteful. We already loved the user interface of the app. The movable toolbars and tabs were awesome. In 2023, we can now choose to have a dark or light toolbar. I'm having a hard time getting used to it. How about you? As if the app wasn't minimalist enough, we can now add and remove tools from the toolbar. Noteful has 3 types of pen tools: ballpoint, fountain, and brush, all with a size ranging from 0.1 to 5 millimeters. We can now save our favorite pen tools on the toolbar. The color palette now doubles as a favorites toolbar. Don't you just love it when developers add more features without adding more icons? Noteful uses vector ink, which does not pixelate when you zoom in. We're still waiting for the app to display the zoom percentage on our pages. You have 2 types of highlighters in Noteful, a freehand and a straight one. Both have a size range of 1 to 10 millimeters and go behind your ink, so they don't dim your notes even when layered. The handwriting experience in Noteful is awesome. There is no lag, but palm rejection has not been perfect. Sometimes your zoom changes when you rest your palm to write, and it can be annoying. Our Noteful giveaway will run for 2 weeks starting from today when this video is published. To enter, all you have to do is like the video and leave a comment sharing your favorite feature in Noteful. We want to know what you love about the app and how it will help you with your digital transformation. After 2 weeks, we'll select 10 lucky winners from the comment section. We will each receive a promo code for Noteful. Easy, right? The zoom tool in Noteful has an impressive range. It supports Auto Advance and has a page margin and toolbar that you can customize. The app also supports left-handed and right-to-left writing. The app supports regular and irregular shapes, which you can adjust after you've drawn them. You can easily resize and rotate them, as well as change the border color, thickness, and type. add a fill color, adjust the opacity of the entire shape. We're still waiting to have different colors for our shape borders and their fill. Your text goes into a text box which disappears when you stop typing. You can change the color of your text, make it bold, italic, underlined, or struck out. You can style your text box to add a background color, change the border thickness of the text box, and the border style, as well as adjust the opacity of your text box. And lastly, you can resize and rotate your text boxes in Noteful. You can save one favorite style for the text box. We look forward to saving more styles. You can also add web links to your notes that you can easily open in your default web browser. You can add images from photos, take some with your camera, or drag and drop them into the app from anywhere. You can then crop your images by freehand or as a rectangle. Resizing it gives you rotation options as well. You can add a frame to your image. They look cooler with freehand cropped images. You can also determine the opacity of your images. You can record audio while taking handwritten notes in Noteful. We're still waiting for the developers to extend the feature to text. You can rename, delete, or export your recordings out of the app. Playback can rewind or fast forward 10 seconds at a time, as well as speed up or slow it down. You can also skip through the audio by tapping sections in your handwritten notes. You can tag your pages in Noteful. Tags in the app are universal, which means you can access them for any notebook in the app. They are perfect for bookmarking pages you want to access from the home page. Layers are easily our favorite feature in Noteful. They add a layer of complexity to digital notes that we just love. We've compared them to flashcards before, but they can be so much more. The Lasso tool in Noteful can pick up specific items on your page: handwriting, highlights, text boxes, or images and shapes. You can also choose to pick any combination you like. Multitasking can open the same notebook twice. You can also open multiple tabs to read even more documents at once. Scribble is the only handwriting conversion you get in the app. Dark mode still does not convert your pages in Noteful, so your pages and ink stay the same when you switch between dark and light mode. For faster navigation, you can view all the pages of your document. Zooming out fits more pages on a screen, making it easier to scroll through them. On the other hand, zooming in allows you to see more details to confirm the pages you're looking for. You can select multiple pages to copy, rotate, tag, delete, extract, or share your notes. You can also rearrange your pages in this window. Noteful can recognize and edit document outlines in your PDFs. The app also lets you create your own outlines from scratch, which you can nest. This feature will be perfect once we can export these outlines out of the app. With outlines and tags, you probably won't need bookmarks as much. The app still has them though, and you can name and rearrange them if you like. Noteful only searches through your text. It does not search through your handwriting because it does not have handwriting recognition. The app displays your search results and their pages on a pop-up sidebar. That's the most ideal way to display search results, isn't it? Universal Search on the app's homepage searches through your notebook titles and tags. We're still waiting for the ability to search through the contents of our documents as well. Noteful organizes your notes with folders and tags, both of which support an infinite number of organizational levels. You can pin notebooks for easier access, and they can display as lists or thumbnails. You can then resize your thumbnails, which is cool. Noteful is our team's go-to note-taking app, and we absolutely love it. However, its lack of handwriting conversion and search might put some note-takers off. But it has a free trial, so you can try it before you purchase it. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment about your favorite feature in Noteful to enter for a chance to win one of 10 promo codes. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next video.